Through loops and falls, the flight begins. An air anew, but fire within. The winds may break, the skies may fight, but I will soar with all my might. Through every crash I rise once more. An endless sky, my heart's encore. Into the sky, I chase the sun. Through every storm, I'm not undone. With every fall, I find my wings. The challenge calls and courage sings. In moments lost, in heights unknown, the sky becomes a place I own. The wires hum, the circuits buzz. I craft the flight with patient love. A screw and turn, a puzzle's grace. A future found in time and space. I see the world through lenses bright. A distant dream comes into sight. Though fear may rise, I'm free to roam. These endless skies have made me home. Into the sky, I chase the sun. Through every storm, I'm not undone. With every fall, I find my wings. The challenge calls and courage sings. In moments lost, in heights unknown, the sky becomes a place I own. And when the wind knocks me to the ground, I feel my heart, it makes no sound. But in the silence, I rise again. For every fall's where strength begins. So I will fly though days grow long. With skies beneath I carry on. Through all the storms, the heights, the bends, this endless flight